We recording. Is this on? This on? Hey, this thing on? Oh, is it? It is. Okay, hold on. Wait a minute. We got the tamale. She want the sand. She gon' fuck for the cat. What it do, YouTube? This your girl Lofty Lee, and I'm back with another video, and I'm back in fully fact. Hey, as you guys see by the title, we have something different, y'all. We got something different. It's no music video, no none of that. But we have another reaction. We have how different mukbangers eat crab legs, y'all. If y'all don't know, if y'all do not know, because most of y'all probably don't know, but my favorite food, my favorite type of food is seafood, and I love me some crab legs. So I want to see how different each mukbanger eat their crab legs. I don't know why. I do not know why, but I just want to see. I think it's interesting for me to see, hey, how you eat your crab legs. Everybody eat their crab legs different, you feel me? So I want to see myself. But before I get started with this, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for more videos of me. Hit that post notification bell to be a part of the Lofty gang, because we stay lit 24/7. Come on, y'all. We almost at 10K. I'm currently at 7.1K, so go ahead and hit that sub button to be a part of the Lofty gang, you feel me? But let me go ahead and start this reaction, bro. How different mukbangers eat their crab legs, you feel me? I see B-Loves and everybody in here, so let's go and get into it. Let's go and get into it. Let's go get into it. Yeah, let's go get into it. Let's go. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it, y'all. Scared. Let's go. How different mukbangers?
Joe got it, but it's all on my rug.
Who is this? Tosh Prump Fro. What's that? Cheetos on the crab legs?
Yo.
That boy look good. That boy look pretty good, bro. Already making me hungry. She eating that thing too.
Before y'all ask, this is that Tostitos cheese that I always get. That Tostitos queso.
And the cheese, dipping in the cheese. It kind of look good. It kind of look good. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, we have Nicolato. Nicolato. He eats so sloppy. My boy Nick eats sloppy. Look at his chin. Come on, man.
Oh my god. There I go.
Everybody, he has some around his mouth.
Wow.
My boy. He tearing it up though, but
and I'm ready to dig
what was
in.
that? Okay, eat with Q. Eat with Quay, Q, whatever her name. I think she had beef with Beloved, did it?
Feeling like burping.
Okay, enough with that one, girl.
Oh my god.
Then she just smacking. You know it's good. Y'all, she would definitely get on my nerves with all this she doing. Like, girl, hush and eat your food. What the freak?
So, you have a cool idea, but make sure
I know my boy is not finna stuff his mouth.
First things first, you need a website.
I know he is not finna stuff his mouth with. Hold on. I know he just did it. I know. We know what he do. He eating that crab leg like that. I know what he do on the low. He the on the low. He the on the low. We know what he do on the low, y'all. Look at him. first before you take another bite. They know they be packing their mouth to this capacity.
Here you go.
What's this? Veronica Wayne. Okay, this video turning. Okay, Veronica, you. I know. I just know y'all. Okay, I ain't gonna say nothing. Cause she putting that whole crab leg in her mouth, and that's a cream crab, bro. Look how she eating it. Like, is she even? Y'all, it's like she just swallowing. Is she chewing? Oh my gosh. God dang. She got deep though. Veronica Wayne got that though, baby.
What in the world?
Hey.
This is better than my garlic sauce. I'm not even lying. Oh my gosh.
Okay, Steven Sushi.
This is so refreshing.
Okay, he eat normal. My boy eat normal.
No water, nothing in there. Pure lemon juice.
The other folk be doing exactly too much. Okay, beloved. They go beloved. Shout out the queen. The queen got the seafood. See, beloved, she don't eat messy for real.
That's good.
Is that Alfredo sauce or something? Them king crabs looking good.
I was missing some noodles.
Ooh, I want me some crab leg right now, y'all. Is it making y'all hungry too? That mother making me hungry. Y'all, this joint just looks so disturbing. How they eating these crab legs, bro. Ooh, it looks so disturbing.
Oh my god.
They eat these things very disturbingly. Okay. Who's this? Pink ASMR. I don't want to hear all that smacking though. All that smacking gotta go. Who this? Hi, needs. Hi, needs.
I also got some potatoes and corn. Plan.
How y'all pronounce her name? Hi, needs. I don't know.
So the plan goes like this. We walk for 2 miles. And
Okay, she eat regular.
that was the best pull ever.
I still see it's steamy.
Sauce Queen. Some of these mukbangers I ain't never heard of. Okay, wipe your mouth. God dang, okay. That junk looks so disturbing, bro. The crab leg to turn the girl out. Crab leg turned her out. Oh man, bro, I see why y'all be watching these mukbangs. Cause they got that mouth work. Why they be stuffing their mouth like that? Oh my god. Okay, that's too much. That's too much. Too much noise. Who's this?
You're racist. Yeah.
Eat with Q again. I can't listen to her. She do too much. Then we gonna stop right there because I can't watch Eat with Q. Quay, Q, whatever her name. But there you have it, YouTube. That was how different mukbangers eat crab legs. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe, and leave down below what else you guys want me to react to, and I'll get straight to it. But go ahead and subscribe, be a part of Lofty Gang, because we stay lit, we stay lifted. levitated 24/7. Ay. But I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. But until then, hey, peace. Gang. I'm out this thing, y'all. Bye.
Bitch, I told you